Are you tired of the tedious process of managing your Hackage releases? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to streamline that workflow and make your life a whole lot easier. I completely understand how frustrating it can be to push changes, wait for builds, and then upload packages, all while hoping everything goes smoothly. It's a common struggle for many developers. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked about their workflow for updating Hackage packages. They mentioned pushing changes to GitHub, waiting for Travis CI to run, uploading to Hackage, and tagging the release in Git. Sound familiar? Let's explore how we can simplify this process. So what's the challenge here? Each step in this process relies on the previous one being successful, which can lead to a lot of waiting and uncertainty. But don't worry, there are ways to automate this and make it more efficient. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful solution that can save you time and effort in managing your Hackage releases. To streamline the user's workflow, we can automate the process of pushing changes to GitHub and checking for build errors. First, the user should create a script that pushes changes to GitHub. Next, the user can set up a webhook in GitHub that triggers a build on Travis CI whenever changes are pushed. This way, the user will be notified of any build errors automatically. After the build is successful, the user can automate the upload to Hackage. This can be done by adding a command in the script that uploads the package if the Travis CI build passes. Finally, the user can tag the release in Git after the upload is successful. This can also be included in the same script to ensure it only runs if the previous steps were successful. Fun fact: did you know that automating repetitive tasks can save you up to 30% of your work time? Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using Travis CI for managing Hackage releases. They recommend setting up conditional deployment in Travis, which allows you to deploy directly to Hackage when you create a Git tag. With this method, your workflow changes slightly. First, you tag and push your changes to GitHub. Then Travis will test your code, and if everything is successful, it will automatically upload to Hackage for you. Here's the pro tip I promised. Consider using continuous integration tools that can handle these processes for you. This will not only save you time, but also reduce the chances of errors. And there you have it. By automating your Hackage release process, you can save time and reduce stress. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your development workflow.